Introducing the Turner E46 M3 valved exhaust system. The exhaust tubing is constructed of dual 2.5 mandrel bent 304 stainless steel for uninterrupted flow. The integrated X pipe evens out the exhaust pulses and improves the overall sound. The high flow valve stainless mufflers generate a massive sound difference between open and closed. Valves closed have a nice subtle exhaust note and it won't anger your neighbors. Open valves are flooded with raw straight 6 noises. Valves are vacuum actuated and everything is included in the kit. All 4 tips are used for both valves open and closed. Crossover pipes in each section allows for this and also increases rigidity for the rear sections. It's easy to install and adjust and uses factory exhaust hangers and AccuSeal slip joints. The E46 M3 exhaust is available now, so pick yours up today.